Here we have two cats. One is brown in color and one is black in color. So now let's practice how to make a number 2. But before that, let's see what I have for you. Here we have two umbrellas. One is blue in color and one is yellow in color. And two candies. One is orange in color and one is yellow in color. And here I have two lollipops. One is green and yellow and one is yellow and blue. And here I have two butterflies. One is pink in color and one is black in color. Yes, very good. Kids, you must have remembered your English class in which you learned how to make lines, strokes and curves. Yes or no? Yes, very good. So here we are going to apply what we have learned in our English class. So now let's begin. Here you can see I have made a right curve. Yes, it goes from here to here. It's a right curve. And here we have a sleeping line. Okay, when we join a right curve and a sleeping line, we get a 2. Here we have a 2. Okay, kids? Now let's practice how to make a 2 with a right curve and a sleeping line. So we have to make a right curve from up to down, like this. And now what we have to do? We have to make a sleeping line from where the curve ends. From here we have to make a sleeping line like this. Yes, very good. Now let's practice one more time. A right curve from up to down and a sleeping line. Yes, a right curve from up to down and a sleeping line. Yes. So kids, now let's practice it here. So what we have to do first? We have to make a right curve. Yes, a right curve like this from up to down and a sleeping line. Yes. Kids, make sure your sleeping line must overlap the line of a box. Yes, very nice. Now let's practice one more time. A right curve from up to down and a sleeping line. Yes, it should be overlapping the line of a box. Yes, let's practice one more time. Right curve from up to down and a sleeping line, which is overlapping the line of a box. Yes, very nice. Let's practice one more time. Right curve and a sleeping line. Right curve from up to down and a sleeping line. Yes. Right curve from up to down and a sleeping line. Yes. Right curve from up to down and a sleeping line. Yes, very good. So kids, that's all for today's class. Okay, till then keep practicing. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.